How to create an online store on Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create an online store with your favorite platform, which is going to be Wix Studio. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see here the site's dashboard if you are familiar with the platform. If not, you're going to get this page instead. So you're going to get the choice of using one of the two editors that are available on Wix. The first one is going to be Wix Studio, so you're going to try Wix Studio, and the second one is going to be the standard Wix editor. So what are we going to do here is to try Wix Studio. This is the thing that we are going to do. So we are going to work with the Wix Studio editor. Now you can choose on how to design the site. So either you are going to be choosing a blank canvas, which is going to be here something that is fully empty, and you're going to fill it out with sections, elements, and etc. You can start with the as you can see, a template or design on the Wix editor. So you are going to build it on your Wix or this site on Wix editor, the standard one, and manage it from the studio workspace. So it is up to you to choose one of these options. In my case, if I am going to be creating a store, I'm going to start from a template because I want to have here something simplified and do not waste a lot of time to create it from scratch. But for each one, they have their reasons. So I'm not going to be implementing or forcing you to use that specific choice. Now you're going to select from these, as you can see here, templates, the ones that or the one that you're going to have. For example, we are going to have here a store, so we are going to head over the e-commerce uh, section or the picks. As you can see from the top picks, I have choose the e-commerce because it is going to be having a look of a boutique or a look of a store. So we are going to see these, as you can see, templates. I'm going to choose one of them simply, and then we can edit it. Before choosing the template, you can view it all. So for example, you are going to hover the mouse on it. For example, this one, you're going to click on view and you're going to get the live view of that without selecting it or getting it. So for example, you can check for the format for the tablets, for the mobile phones, and etc. and see if this template is going to be suitable for you. In my case, I'm not going to choose that, but I'm going to head over more of like this, the fashion store. I like it. I like the colors that has been used, and I think that I will like this as a store. So I'm going to use that for the clothing and apparels. So something like that is going to be very great. So I'm going to click on edit. Now, what are we going to do is to wait for the template to be loading, and it will take a little bit of time from 1 to 2 minutes or less than that. Then we are going to resolve that with the specific dashboard of Wix Studio because we need to add some more apps or integration. So we are going to make our setup complete. As you can see here, we have the website created or applied into our store. Now, what are we going to do is to check of the elements that, or some of the elements that we need. We're going to head over the app market and make sure that we have the Wix stores added. From the app market, I'm going to verify that we have already Wix stores. I'm going to type in Wix stores, and this is the formula or the right step to do to have at least the Wix store. So as you can see in here, we have the Wix stores. Here we have it. Or we can have the online store, but this is from Equid, I think. So I'm not going to use that. We're going to make sure that we have the Wix stores installed. So let's see here if it is going to be installed or not. If not, I think that we have it. If not, you need only to install it. And that is going to have here the section of stores on the pages. So when you click on pages and you have here the store pages from the product page and also the category page, that means that the Wix stores has been installed. So we are going to wait for the product page to show up. Maybe we are going to get some examples, I think, and then we are going to head over to the dashboard. So we're going to open up the dashboard of that website. So this is the example. As you can see, everything is set up, and it was a very good choice for the theme. So that is going to be very cool. And as you can see, the font or the background color that has been used in here is going to be top. So we are going to copy the style of this background and put it for all the products if we could, of course, and let it adjust like that. Now I'm going to visit the Wix Studio, as you can see, dashboard. This is our Wix Studio dashboard. The name of the website, everything set up, and okay. Now, what are we going to do, or we need necessarily to do, is to head over the settings and set up the payment method. This is something that we need. So we are going to click on accept payment. And from here, we are going basically to add the payment method. This is the first thing that you need to do. So without a payment getaway, the store is not going to be complete. So you are going to change the region for more, let's say, options to have. For example, I'm going to have here friends, and we are going to see that we will have Stripe in here. And as you can see, you can connect here Stripe, PayPal, manual payments like the COD or cash on delivery. And also we have tens and tens of more options, payment options, I mean, like Square, Jaro Play, Pay, and etc. So the second thing that you need to make sure of is the setup. So you're going to head over the setup page and complete all the necessary things that has been needed. So except from the connecting a domain, which is you have already a subdomain, this is not going to be necessary, but you need to set that up. Now, for the products, before publishing the website and get it found on Google, you're going to head over the catalog and click on online or store products and start adding up your products manually or automatically. For the automatic process, you're going to have here the imported or some exported data from other stores, or let's say here previous stores, and then you are going simply to import it in here by a CSV file, put them and then align them to the specific cases and columns that we have, and then you are going to see them right there. You can add a physical product or a digital product. You can go ahead and host all of the digital products within a cloud on Wix Studio and sell them as a digital product. So the process is very easy to add a product, put a title for it, for example. Then you are going to add some illustration or covers like images, videos, the name of the product, ribbon, for example, for an instructing, let's say, behavior, description, pricing, custom text, product options like the sizes and also the colors, tracking the inventory, pre-orders, subscriptions, and then you're going to save. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.